Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Index Insider. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video to analyze for you here the SP 500, the Nasdaq 100, and the DXY. So, if you are a swing trader, stick with us only here in the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you're going to find timeline in the description of that video. So, go choose the new trading style and the timeline to assert your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, that the SP 500 here, today, it happened exactly like how us we said us in yesterday video. It's need the market to come to break either here or either here for us. Here in the top, if it's breaking us, we're going to enter long. If it fall down and breaking down here, us we're going to enter short, and I told you why. Because down here, the market is going to give us here a very clear cup handle. It doesn't give it to us. Now, for the top, it's going to give us here a double bottom like that, as you see it. So till now, the market hasn't breaking up and doesn't breaking down. The market still stuck between the two levels. And why is still stuck here? I'm going to tell you why. Because of those moving averages, as you see it, the market is stuck between the 100 moving average and the 200 here. So till now, there is nothing. You need to wait and more till you get a clear picture. At this time, there is nothing, so you need to wait and more till the right time. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you now. You're waiting if the market came and breaking here, that level here. Yes, you can enter long, breaking that man a candle to close above that line here. You can enter more long till the top here. If it doesn't, that means the market going to fall down. Another thing, I tell it to you here. What is it? I told you like that. We got down here in that level here. We got down here a channel like that, as you see it. It touches here and it touches here. He couldn't break it again. The top of that channel, is it up here, as you see it? And is it a flag like that? If you make it like that, is a flag. But me, I don't treat it as a flag. Me, I treat it as an up channel. As you see it, it touched the top of it here. It fall down, it touched it here, now here. Now it needs the market to come to break up the neckline of that double bottom here. If it's breaking, it's going to go up till here or till it will touch in the top of that channel here. So everything's still looking normal. There is nothing yet. The only thing today, it came the CPI data. But before that, let's see our indicator of the chain. Our indicator, as you see it, it's been here at the oversold area. Now he tried to give us here a price action. Till now it's not yet clear. So also we are waiting till that one came here and breaking above here. And it's going to give us here a very clear double bottom like that. So till now us we still waiting, guys. So I think picture is too clear here. Now it's going to see the news of today and why the market is move like that. So let's go in there. As you see, guys, that article here is telling us why the market it move like that and stay sideways here. Because as you see, the first one is it here. CPI of USA, it hit ahead the Fed meeting because the Fed meeting is going to come that week. That's why CPI data it came and it came very bad. It came 3.7. It's being forecasted or accepted to come 3.6, and that very bad news. That means in the Fed meeting minute is going to come. They are going to vote all of them to increase more interest rate, and that very bad here. That's the first thing. Second thing we got here that Apple. I told you the problems of iPhone now. It's still like that as you see it. Then the third problem, that another big problem here in US economic is that one here, is the crude. It's still very bad for oil or energy, let's make it like that. It's still getting more up and up as you see it. OPEC monthly report and those things, you can read everything if you want. So that's why you see the market still going up. And over here, that the news which is coming today, guys, as you see it, is it here? We got the ECB interest rate is going to come at 12.15, and that's very bad news. Plus here we got the core retail sales is going to come at 12.30 of USA. Then initial jobless claim PPI and retail sales of USA. And after them is going to come ECB press conference. So tomorrow, be careful, guys. So be careful, guys. And here is our friend, the table of us. Us we're looking at it every day. As you see it, was it telling us till now? The Dow Jones today fall down, but the SP and the Nasdaq they close in the daily green. So everything's still looking the same. And down here is our friend, the VIX. As you see it, is 13.48. Even that one you need to be focused about what the market is going to tell you as you see it. So currency is still very low, but nothing new. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see what the SP 500 doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in 30 minutes, same thing. Now the market, he tried to give you here a cup and handle here in 30 minutes. If it came up here and breaking that neckline like that, you can enter long here more. But till now, you need to wait in what the market is going to do in the coming days and coming hours. Plus another thing, you can make it now. You can do something like that. You came from down here and here in the top, you came like that. And you do it like that. You got here a triangle and you wait where it's going to be broken here or down here. If it's getting broke down, that means you need to enter short. If it's getting broke up here, that means you need to enter more long. So at this time there is nothing. You need to wait in more till the right time. And if you remember yesterday what I told you about that supply and demand zone, I told you the market he need to give you here a price action and give you here a double bottom. So we'll have when it's breaking here, we'll have you enter long. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's see our indicator what it's in here in 30 minutes. Our indicator, as you see it touch here the overbought area, but also we are not going to enter now short only if the market give us here in that supply and demand zone here price action. If the market give us here a price action, yes, we can enter short, but at this time we don't got any price action here, so there is nothing. We need to wait in more till the right time. At this time there is nothing here. Now let's go in to see the Nasdaq 100 what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100, guys. Over here, same thing like the SP 500. It tried to give us here a double bottom here. As you see it, very clear double bottom. But it's not yet. It's need to come to break here, that level here for us to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry long. Another thing very important here, you can make something like that as you see it. Even that one you can do it here. It's a triangle as you see it here. That one if it's getting broke here, you can enter more long. If it's getting broke down here, you can enter short. So here in the Nasdaq 100, you got here a very clear symmetric triangle, and you need to wait in where it's going to be broken here or here. So till now there is nothing. You need to wait until the right time. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, is it here in the middle. That means there is no buying, no selling. Unless if it's breaking here, that triangle here or that trend line here in the top, you can enter long. Down here, it needs to break down for you to enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry. So you need to wait a little bit till you get a clear picture. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Nasdaq 100 doing today, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, same thing like the SP 500. As you see it, he tried to give us here a cup and handle here. Should we enter long? Always if it came a break in here, the neckline, yes, you can enter more long. If it doesn't, that's mean you need to wait more. Another thing very important here, look here, you got here in the top a trend line. If it's getting broke here, you can enter more long. And down here, you got another downtrend here. If that one fall down and breaking down here, you can enter short. So now what you need to do is just wait the break where it's going to happen, either here or either down here. At this time there is nothing, and you need to start trading when the market open, not now. The market, you know which time it's open USA. That's the right time for you to enter. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, is it here at the overbought area. That means you need to look for short level. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, as I mentioned it yesterday. Told you enter short if the market give you here a price action in that level. Yes, you can enter short. At this time there is nothing, so you need to wait in a clear price action here for you to enter short or something. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. If it's breaking above here, you can enter more long, guys. But I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see the DXY or US dollar what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the DXY, guys. Here is only for swing trading. As you see it here in the DXY, me I told you in yesterday video, the market he tried to give us here a cup and handle here, and it gave us there a cup and handle. And I told you need to focus about the neckline. It doesn't break it down here. It means there is no entry short, and the DXY is still looking very bullish now here. Now at that time, what you need to do, you need to focus at that level here or that trend line here. As you see it, how it started from the tail of that one and that one. If the market came and breaking above here, that meant that DXY or US dollar is going to go up more than that. For the short, if the market fall down and breaking down here at that level here, you can enter short, but not that much, just to the trend line here, at long term trend line here. So I think picture is too clear here. So DXY till now we don't got a clear picture. We need to wait until you got a very clear picture. Then you try to make a decision based on that. At this time, the market is locked to us, is going to stay sideways here. Till today, we're going to see if we are going to break here, or we're going to break down here at that trend line here, or the lower of that symmetric triangle. Then we can enter short or we enter long. I think picture is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator is telling us also we are here at the overbought area. So technically you need to look in for short, but for you to enter short, it's need the market to tell you that, and I'll show you the price action you have here. So till now you need to wait until the right time. So let's go into 30 minutes to see what the DXY doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here I told you about the DXY yesterday. We are here down here at that level here. I told you it's need the market to give you here a price action and give you here a small double bottom here as you see it. Breaking the neckline, it went up till here. Then it happened that candle here when the CPI data came. Now at that time what you should do here, down here, look with me here what you got. Down here you got an uptrend, and here in the top you got a downtrend here as you see it. So here in the DXY in 30 minutes you got a very clear triangle here. If it's getting broke here, you can enter long. If it's getting broke down here, you can enter short. At this time there is nothing. Also we are stuck here in a sideways level, so there is nothing. Let's see our indicator was it saying. Even our indicator is not yet touched the overbought or oversold area, so it's staying stuck between overbought and oversold area. So there is nothing. You need to wait until it will touch on the overbought or oversold for you to make a decision. At this time there is nothing, so you need to wait until the right time, guys. I'll show you all the price actions you have. Look at that. You came to the lower like those ones like that. You got here an uptrend. You waited. If it's getting broke down here, you can enter short. But for the short, for the long, you can come here in the top of those here those tails, and you wait. If it's getting broke here, you can enter long. If it doesn't, you need to wait till the right time, guys. I think picture is too clear. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.